welcome back to Game with Xavier. I'm Xavier, and today we are going to be doing part 2 of hatching the Christmas event eggs. And I know I got more gingerbread than last time, but let's see. Got 703 million right now. Yesterday I got like 601. Yeah. Okay, so that's, and by the way, I am using auto clicker because I don't have the normal one, the auto hatch, because it costs Robux and I don't have enough for it, but it's okay. Let's use 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's hatch. And by the way, guys, I am using all the pets that I equipped. All these pets that I equipped, and 15 million gems for any exclusive pet. Guys, if you are interested to trading in doing that trade, please leave your username comment or tell me you want to do it in the comment down below, and you put your username there. So yeah, let's get hatching. There. Okay guys, let's see what we get. Okay, the first one is the festive elf. It's okay. Let's see. Another one, bro. Please. Man. And guys, I am giving away some elf. Some festive elf. Well, yeah. If anyone is interested in the trade that I trade all my equipped tech and my 50 million gems for the any exclusive, I will definitely add some legendaries in there for you, like the North Pole Wolf, the Rudolph, and all those elves that I just got, and also more. Okay, so guys, yeah, let's continue hatching. Bro, I'm getting legendaries right now. Oh man, I jinxed it. Sheesh, bro. Bro, don't trade me, please. Bro, what? I can't press it. It's okay. Let's see how we... Oh, another elf. Bro. Come on. Okay, finally a legendary. Please give me a huge cat, bro. Huge festive cat. Okay. Oh, I didn't even trade him. Okay, I guess. Wait, is that a pool? Let me check if it's pool. Hi. Wait, let's go check at the leaderboard. Let's see if she's poor. Oh, she is poor. Let's give her some pets. Irish. Oh, she literally have a trade invite already, so I can't trade her. I literally can't trade her. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. I can't. You have an invite. Hey. Trade me. Okay, can you trade me? Not you. Do you know how? Oh, she knows. Okay, let's give her some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, these. Okay, she had equipped 4 pets. Let's give her these. Nice. Enjoy. Okay, let's get back to the video. I got distracted by helping on a new player, I should say. Please give me something good, man. Okay, a Rudolph, not bad. Come on. Oh man, give me at least a mythical. Yesterday I hatched the mythical Santa Paws. See what mythical can I have today? Or maybe even 0 mythical. Jeez. Come on. What's happening in the chat? Let's see. They're all joining me. Okay. Oh, okay. A legendary North Pole Wolf. Let's see. I get Rudolph pretty easily. How much have I spent? Okay, another legendary. I spent about a lot. Let's see how many eggs I opened. Okay, I opened 15 eggs only. What? Only 15? Thought I had more. It's okay. And rare elf again. It's okay, it's pretty OP. 1 billion like the fluffy. Oh. Come on, give me something better, please. Oh man. What? Bro, that's so annoying. Stop trading me, please. Man. Oh, okay, I'm a wolf. Please give me something good. Jeez. Give me something good. Please, bro. Sure. Man, bro. Give me something good. Okay, a legendary. I keep getting elves just now, bro. Okay. I think I'm gonna get an elf on this one. Oh, okay. If I get one more legendary, I'll give it away. Okay, I think I will get I'll give away a legendary. I'll give away a Rudolph later. At the end of the video. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Oh, not a Rudolph. Man, this is a good video. How many eggs have we opened? 14 eggs. What? Why is there only 14? Am I auto-deleting? Yeah, I'm not. What? $231 pets. Let's open one. Am I glitching? Yeah, I'm not glitching. Let's just keep opening till my inventory is full. Bro, please. Ooh. Okay, I think I will get one more legendary. If I get it, I'll give it. Oh, let's check what is there in the trade merchant. Let's see. Go 15 million. Oh man, I do not want to buy that. Ooh, nice pets. Oh, is that the girl? No, the girl is 4 billion right there. Help her a lot. Let's go back. Hey guys, I'll be back if I get something good or my inventory is full. Hey guys, I did not get anything good, but I didn't get a mythical. But let's see what we get. One. Oh, back to back. Okay, can we get another one? Oh, another one. Okay, if I get one more, I'll give another legendary away. Oh, I'll literally give 2 Rudolph away. Jeez. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be hatching until I got another one. 500 million left. Oh no! Oh my God, jeez, Louise. Another one. Oh my God. Can we get another one? Another one. Oh my God, what is happening right now? Can we continue this group? Oh, one more. Oh, another legendary. Oh my. This is all the legendary. Oh, these is all the pets we got in this video. Oh my God, that's a lot more than I expected. And let's go give out pets. Who wants free pet? Okay, let's just simply trade somebody. Let's choose this guy. Okay, let's give him one. We'll give another one to another person later. After this guy. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, bro. What is this? What is happening? Okay. Want free pet. Anybody? Anybody? Whoa, that's a lot of gold horse right there. Okay, let's give Marksman. Okay, I already gave the guy. Marksman. Trade me. I on the trade. On my trade. Let's trade him. And let's give it to him. Give it to him. There. Come on. Just hit us up. Oh yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah. Peace. Hey guys, please remember to like, sub, and turn on the notification and comment down below anything you'd like me to play. Peace out.